How are we doing, guys? Back into our pattern details. This is Toi Gye Detail number 2. And again, we're just going to start addressing the bit down the centre line. This next bit is actually nothing too drastic, but you just need to, again, it's paying attention to stance changes alongside your hand techniques. Okay, so if you didn't see part 1, just go through that very quickly so you know where we're coming from. I'll recap quickly for the people that do know what they're doing with this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the bit that was covered in the last video. Go see it if you haven't done it. Okay, but once we are here, we will be left hand up. We go rib, cross, right hand on top, back, double to the face. Now we've seen this technique before. Okay, that one here is not dissimilar to in Hyeung where we're doing this high cross block. It's the same right hand on top, it's just hands closed and low section. Okay, compared to what we normally do, considering a lot of our stuff is single down block, single upper block, punches, chops, this sort of 1, 2 is significantly different in terms of what we normally see and sort of the idea of application. But if you're wondering why we have this sort of 2 arm movement at the same time, it's things like, you know, a kick, front kick or something, a swinging kick is coming in, it is just block low, pull back so you're out of range, you're outside that kick, let them land in front of you, boom, and then you're shifting your hips and your hands into a double face punch. Yeah, these that come forwards, notice they're sort of angled. I'm just turning the knuckles in because they're meeting cheekbones here. Okay, we're not straight arm like this, we're not punching them in the shoulders, we're not doing this, we're not trying to get them to touch in the middle. Okay, it's just got to be here, here, okay, getting them right in the cheekbones, side of the jaw kind of thing. Okay, easy peasy stuff. The stance change is important. Okay, it isn't, because we catch people doing this, once we've gone cross, we're not going like this. Some people really over egg it and almost turn all the way around into a different front stance, come all the way back again. Okay, not necessary, not what we're doing. Okay, front stance, here, back, front. Okay, now I do know some people overturn a fraction. I'd rather they didn't. I can live with it, but I'd rather they didn't do this. Okay, should really just come back stance and then push. Yeah, because you turn your hip. Yeah, my rear hip turns out, my rear shoulder turns out. Okay, so when I come back, I should have enough twist and drive for that double face punch. Okay, but I shouldn't be going 1. Yeah, I shouldn't be doing that. That's a bit much. Okay, relax. Okay. Second combination of that is really easy. It's just kick and 2 punches. Both are body punches. Okay. So once we're in this second set of these 1-1 downs, here, 1, back, 2, front kick off my back leg, land, 1 punch, 2 punch. We have done this sort of combination before in at least 2 patterns. Okay, you've got it in Do-San where we have double strikes, kick 2 punches. Okay, and we have it in You'll Go when you're off to the corner, middle block, kick 2 punches. Okay, this is nothing new. Okay, it's the only difference being just doing it down the line rather than at an angle. Okay, do notice once I've done that double kick, I'm using that backhand as my counterbalance. It is not a separate punch. I am not going kick 1, 2, 3. Okay, do not get that in a muddle. Okay, I will go 1, 2. My back leg comes through, and I'm there. Right foot kick, left hand is my counterbalance. So I know as soon as I hit the floor and I land, I do 2 punches from that position. 1, 2. Effectively jab cross, or lunge punch, reverse punch, however you want to think about it. Okay, but I'm not going kick, land, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that is rubbish. Okay, so I'll recap all that section, including the beginning bit. Okay, so it'll be Chario, bow, into your chumbi, into your my chumbi, off to your left. 1, lift, 2, 3, repeat. 1, 2, 3. Bottom of your ribs, 1, Same space into my back stance, 2, back into my front stance, kick, 1, 2. Okay, easy peasy stuff. Okay, I will do that one more time. I will do it from that side going that way, just so that you can see the stance changes from the side. Okay, so your chumbi, well, my chumbi, all of that way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now before going any further, you did probably notice there, which was bad of me, I did shuffle my feet on the first move. Okay, I'll do it again properly. There. Okay, the reason I shuffled my feet is because I thought I was going to hit my bum on my fireplace. Okay, so be clean on your stances. Okay, once I'm here, I step forwards with my left, I go ribs, 1, back to those bottom ribs in my back stance, 2. Notice I've angled my punches, knuckles in. It's not this and it's not that. Okay, from there, straighten, kick, land in my front stance, 1, 2. Front punch, back punch. Okay, enjoy, keep practicing, and that is detail number 2. Take it on. Have fun.